Thank you very much indeed for joining us. I mean, yesterday we heard the Prime Minister saying families will be experiencing mixed emotions. We talked to Louise Brooks a little bit earlier on the programme, whose brother Andrew also died that day, and it's clearly dominated her life, as it has yours as well. What were your feelings yesterday when you heard about the charges?
Well, obviously mixed emotions, you know. It was bittersweet really, because obviously the families were pleased, you know, that the six obviously going forward now for, well, we have to wait and see if they get criminal charges or not. The word I use is accountability, actually. You know, somebody's got to be accountable for 96 unlawfully killed. And it has been a very, very long step, but, you know, I just feel now this is where we have to touch the peak and hopefully move on from Hillsborough if this all comes about the right way.
Leaving to one side, as you say, that the court case must now, you know, take its course. But do you think there will be a point where you'll be able to just put the campaign aside and have some sense of peace?
Well, that's what I'm hoping for, you know, and I'm sure the families are, because, I mean, that's what we need. You can't get peace, though, until you do get accountability. And, you know, and that's where it begins. Your peace begins when you've got accountability for 96 innocent people.